shopping after work via car.
FIFA World Cup.
I should get something and then you can video me. Huh?
Yeah, I can get something. Let's ask them how much the animals are.
The animals?
You know those big animal things that they sell, the statues?
Oh, the statues.
Yeah.
They're like 50. I want to
50?
buy those
I think my
peanuts.
mom would like. Oh, peanuts?
Peanuts. But I don't know.
Oh, look, is that World Cup schedule?
World Cup schedule. I like those peanuts.
Are they sweet?
Yeah, tastes very nice. It's Bali's peanuts.
Bali's. Oh, those things over there. What is he selling? Tubs?
It's a trash bin.
Oh, trash bins. They're so cute.
Just
Too cute to be a trash bin.
So yeah.
Yeah.
Let's see how many more other things. These are for the babies.
That's really cute too.
Those toys.
Little giraffe.
So many choices.
Here, I'm getting my